Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the NCC, okay? First of all, we have to be discuss the general morals, duties and the responsibilities of the NCC. Firstly, we will discuss on the raisings and how it was started and which country was started initially of this NCC, okay? First of all, in 1966, the Germany was started the NCC. Basically, NCC stands for National Cadet Corps, and these days the motto of MAN NCC is unity and discipline. Is the motto of NCC firstly, and NCC is divided into three forces: Army wings, Naval wings, and also Air Force wings. Okay, Army wings have total 667 wings, and Air Force have 60 wings, and Navy have 61 wings. Okay, total 788 wings are consisted in our country. And in 1942 it was became UOTC, University Officers Training Corps, in 1942, and after that finally 15th July in 1948 the NCC was declared as the core in our country. Okay, I mean the existence of NCC was finalized in our country in 1948, 15th July. Okay, and after that we are coming to the NCC ranks. First of all, initially stays from below ranks, bottom to top we are going. The ranks is cadet and corporal, and then उसके बाद company quartermaster, sergeant, and उसके बाद finally उसके बाद sergeant है under junior under officers and senior under officers. Got it? And now we talk about the flag code of Army, Navy and Air Force. Three forces. Okay, Army have red flags, and Air Force have dark blue, and lastly the Navy has the blue color. Okay, light blue colors. And now we are talking the commanding officers. Commanding officers may be the rank of lieutenant colonel and colonel. Okay, the lieutenant colonel and colonel can be the commanding officers of NCC and any wings. Okay, and now in our country, NCC motto unity and discipline already discussed about. There are three divisions of NCC. First of all, we talk about NCC number one है junior divisions and senior divisions, and third one is girls division. Junior divisions, when we study generally in 9th 10th class, then we have to be take and we can choose the NCC for 2 years. That is the junior division NCC. And next one is that is the senior division NCC. Senior division NCC, we can say that will be provided for particular candidate in a university level. Okay, and in a graduation level we can opt the NCC, and after that, as soon as we will enter in first year and second year, as soon as we cleared in second year, then we got V certificate of 20 marks. Okay, and as soon as we have take the C certificate of the NCC, that time we can participate, we can join the defense forces without any written examination. Okay, and Alpha certificate in junior divisions got 5 marks in any defense forces exam. And now we talk about the girls divisions. Girls divisions basically is one part of the NCC. Even it may be in Army, Navy and Air Force. Okay, three forces consisted the girls divisions. And now we are talk about the 1961 war and 71 war and even 1998 wars. The NCC was the second pillar of the defense forces in 1961 and 1971 war. These are the best role. They played a good and fantastic roles in these wars against the enemy countries. Got it? And now in battalions, the NCC battalion may generally consist of 6 to 4 companies. Headquarter companies also included in this, and 3 other companies can be existed over there. Okay, and right now we are discussing about the motto and discipline soldiers. Okay, and what is the reason behind the NCC? What is the reason behind the NCC? And for what we are doing, we are campaigning just like battalions of NCC. First of all, we have to be developed a unity and a capability, integrity, loyalty towards the defense forces. Okay, to generate courage and to to eradicate timidness from the soldiers, to motivate the joint defense forces of a particular gentleman. So this is the main motto: to develop camaraderie, discipline, unity, courage, braveness inside the general civilian peoples to recruit in NCC. Okay, and after that we have motivate to join defense forces. So this is the main reasons for starting the campaigning just like battalions of NCC. Got it? So this is the main reason for behind this. Okay, and after that we are talking about the Air Force, Navy and Army. Air Force also consisted its own wing. Navy consists of 61 wings, and Air Force has 60 wings. Navy has 667. Okay, across the country, across the India. Okay, I have also apprentice of NCC Alpha certificate, so I am doing this. And right now we are coming in the NCC camps. Basically, what the NCC camp are going on inside the country for joining the NCC. And number first is ETC, Armored Training Corps camp are running with the army, and after the CTC, Combined Training Corps, उसके बाद RDC Republic Day camp of NCC, and उसके बाद NIC TSC Daily Services Corps, Daily Shena camp are also running by our army. Okay, ठीक है. And उसके बाद what is the aim of the NCC? I have already talked about. I have already given the suggestions about the NCC to develop integrity, loyalty, and braveness, and a disciplined soldiers already we have developed through the NCC. Okay, so this is the main reason behind this. So I hope you have loved this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.